how to set up an SRA3 document in Adobe InDesign. So to create a document, go to File New or Command N on your keyboard. We're going to be using millimeters, so make sure we've got millimeters selected from that drop down menu there. And the width of the document is 320 and the height, if we're doing portrait mode, is 450. And we'll turn off facing pages because it's not like a brochure. Just going to have one page in this document. Columns, I'm going to have one. Margins, I'm just going to leave that at 12.7 as a standard. Now, I'm also going to leave bleed at 0 because it's not a print document where we've got full colour coverage off the end. And slug, that's for brochures anyway, so we're going to leave that one alone. Press Create, and there you have your SRA3 document all set up in Adobe InDesign. Thanks for watching the tutorial, guys. If you got something out of the video, please leave me a comment, consider subscribing, and why don't you check out one of the videos that are on screen now.